studying in 6th B. I'm going to show you my moon rover. I have prepared this moon rover with many recyclable things like cardboard, unsharpened pencil, toothpick, colorful paper and magnets. We can either run this with magnetic force, as we already know that magnet has two poles, north and south. Opposite pole attracts while same pole repels and causes the rover to move forward. Zoom! We can move this rover with the help of rubber band also. Give it a couple of turns. Place it on the ground, release, and the rover is ready to explore. When rubber band winds around the axle, it increases its stored energy, also known as potential energy. When we release the axle, then this potential energy converts into motion energy or kinetic energy and helps the rover to move forward. Other key factor is friction. We want minimum friction between the axle and the axle poles, so that the wheel can spin freely. We should also consider traction, a grippy force between the wheel and the surface. When wheel grips surface, it allows the rover to move forward. If there is no traction, then the wheel will spin on its own position. That was about my recyclable toy. Thank you and have a nice day.